But there are those brothers and sisters who come from households, families that they cannot be able to pay. So we try to determine the level of need. And once we determine the level of need, using a scientifically proven method, which is known as means testing instrument, which will be able to categorize us, those coming from backgrounds that are not able to pay the amount of money required, will be able to pay almost nil. And we have said those ones will pay only 5%, such that if the cost of the program is 200,000, the amount which they would be required to pay in a year is only 10,000, 5,000 per semester. And those of us who can be able to afford the category of the CS Machogu, the category of the PS Hinga, and there are also quite a number. We have said, yes, they can be able to pay 40%, meaning if the cost is 200,000, probably Bachelor of Education, the amount that Machogu will be expected to pay is 80,000. So this particular system, unlike the one before, looks at issues that is going to ensure accessibility in our higher education, such that we don't rock out those particular students, those children coming from families that cannot be able to pay the required amount at any given time.